Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So, today I will be making pumpkin pie, my favorite, but I will be making it in a vegan version. So, I already started mixing for the, not for the filling, for the crust, and this is from scratch. Real quick, I'm just going to show you. This is all-purpose flour right on top here that I just scooped in there. It's in this container right here. All-purpose flour, almond flour. I got it from Trader Joe's. They only have one brand, so yeah. And a dash of cinnamon, or probably a teaspoon or two of cinnamon, brown sugar, and I'm going to add my vegan butter. This is my vegan butter. I got it from Food World, by me. I don't know if there's anyone bigger than this. I don't know. But this is the one that I've seen. It sees 15 ounces. So yeah, this is the butter that I'm going to use. I'm going to scoop this inside here while it's still cold. And I'm going to form the dough and I'm going to place it inside of the fridge. No, you know what? I'm going to bake it for a little bit so the butter can get inside there and get a little crispy and toasty on the bottom. And then I'm going to place it in the fridge to let it cool. This right here is my substitute for egg. So this is flaxseed. I just put it inside here with some hot water actually. And of course some of the flaxseed sink to the bottom, as you guys can see. I'm moving it and it's not moving. That's because that's where all of the gel is for the substitute of the egg. This is a substitute for the egg. You guys know I don't like egg anyway. Yeah. And so, yeah, I'm going to mix this up and mix it with the butter. And I'm going to come right back. Alright, y'all. So I'm done folding it. I was folding it in here. So this is what it turned out to be. I'm going to show you guys real quick. So I like it like this, where you can like squeeze it and it's stiff. But like if you scramble it up, it's a little bit like thing. Because when you bake it, it's not submerged in a bunch of butter. So right now I'm just flattening it out. And I am making sure that it's evenly distributed. And I'm going to do the filling and come right back to you. Forgetting to show you guys. So I got this pumpkin from my job. Cut it in half. Right, I just peeled off the skin off of that. So I put it in the oven, covered it, put some water inside of here to let it broil just a little bit. And this is how easy it is to just take the skin off. You see, it just comes off just like that. Right now I'm letting it cool. And then I'm going to mix it up together in my little mixture. I just wanted to show you guys an easy way of how you should prep your pumpkin if you want to remove the skin. Just pop it in the oven, that's all. This is how I remove it, see? So right now I have the flax seeds out in this strainer. Straining out into this dish. It looks kind of foamy, like egg whites would look. So I poured it out of this cup. This is the pumpkin. Yeah. I just mashed it up a little bit. Over there, you'll see the half of it, but I have to put it in here. So I'm gonna put this with the substitute of the egg, which is the flax seeds. I have them straining here with, of course, nutmeg and cloves and cinnamon, vanilla extract, and I think I have to go look in the recipe because I haven't even put a recipe. I'm gonna probably use baking soda or baking powder. I don't know which one. But I'll go look, and I'll be right back after I strain this off as well. Okay, so I mashed out the rest of the pumpkin. It's got a little extra juices there, that's fine. So, by the way, this is the flaxseed that I used. Got it from Trader Joe's. Whole seeds, just put them in hot water and let them soak for a while. Gonna use some cinnamon. I'm not doing any measurements, by the way. I'm going by how I want. So that's, nutmeg makes me kind of nauseous, but I don't like to use too much of it, so I'll just use just a dab. That's enough. Ugh. That's too much. I'm using salt. I'm using cloves. Alright, that's enough. Bam, vanilla extract. No measurements. And mix this up a little bit. Just like the egg whites, it's the flaxseed gel. The flaxseed gel. Don't have my coconut milk, but I'm gonna add my whole milk, so it's not completely vegan. More milk. And brown sugar. Ooh, that's a whole lot of sugar. Now you see that? Actually, a lot of filling. How much pumpkin I had left? That's the half of it. So let's see how this goes. I kind of took this out the oven. I toasted it. You guys can see. This is what it looks like. Underneath. I just want you guys to see what it looks like. It's done now. I added all the good stuff to it. This is the finished result. This is actually the next morning. This is the finished result. I'm tilting it so you guys know it's not runny. And this is my pumpkin pie, no eggs. Yummy. Hey y'all, so this is later on in the day. I'm so sorry I'm breaking this video up in so many days, but yeah, this is how it looks. I just cut into it just a minute ago. I didn't heat it up yet. But sure, this were okay. For no eggs, this was good. Look at that homemade crust I made, y'all. I just went and did my almond flour crust. Okay. It looked good. Or you need some flaxseed gel, some spices, some fresh pumpkin. You can use coconut milk. I didn't have coconut milk this time, but you can use that. But yeah, it looked good. And I tasted a little bit of it, and it tastes good too. It's really, really good. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. So if you guys like this video, like the video, comment down below, and just share it with your friends, family, and coworkers. And yeah, once again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next upload.